In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Bard with Gmail. Now, although they haven't officially integrated, we can still use them together, and there are still a few functions we can test out today. So the first one is actually using Bard to draft emails, and this one is kind of integrated into Bard. However, the others are just kind of using Bard to help you with Gmail. So how can we use Bard to draft emails? You can use Bard to help you draft emails by asking it questions about the email, such as what you want to say, who you want to send it to, and what the subject line should be. Bard can also help you with the grammar and spelling of your emails. So let's just say I wanted to send an email to someone about what Bard actually is. Obviously, yours is going to be a bit different. What we would do is go down to the bottom here where it says share and export, and then we can just click here, draft in Gmail. And then as you can see in the bottom left, new email created. So we can open this here in Gmail. And as you can see, it has actually drafted an email with all of the stuff it just wrote out. And from here we can add recipients and send this email off to someone. Now you can also use Bard to help you proofread emails. So you can use Bard to proofread emails before you send them. And it can help you catch any errors in grammar, spelling or punctuation. So let's just say you had your email typed out already in Gmail, about to send. But before you sent it, you can just copy and paste it into Bard and then tell it to proofread your email and make sure there's no mistakes. From there, it will quickly read through it and tell you if there is any errors. The third way is using Bard to brainstorm ideas for emails. So if you're stuck on what to write in an email, you can use Bard to brainstorm ideas. Simply ask Bard a question about the topic of the email and it will generate a list of ideas for you. The next way we can use it is to translate emails. So if you need to translate an email, you can use Bard to do it for you. All you have to do is ask Bard to translate the email into the language you want and it will do it for you. And the final thing is to use Bard to summarize emails. If you need to summarize an email, you can use Bard to do it. So all you have to do is simply copy and paste it into Bard and ask for a quick summary and it will give you a brief overview of the content. So that is how you can use Bard with Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.